Agnes, it all ended up in tears. Well, we were not a couple, you and I, in our strange and original attire. I thought it was love at first sight. My mother, she shivered with fright. And I couldn't tell if you were boy or girl. My mind was in such a swell. It was a case of grist to the bill. True love rose, it rose, oh where it will. I love so Agnes, I still adore.